In this video, I will show you how you can skip a song on your AirPods. So if you want to skip a song on your AirPod, just you cannot do this. You cannot feel the haptic feedback. You cannot feel the input, the output, this thing when you put it on your ears. So you have to make sure that you are putting this on your ears. And if you want to skip a song, you have to double tap it. Double tap to skip a song. Double tap it and triple tap to go back to the previous song. So you just have to tap it. There's nothing really special about it. And if you want to lower your volume, you can just scroll it down right here and scroll it up to increase your volume. It is a very simple thing and how you can control your AirPods, and you can hold it to change between noise cancellation or transparency mode. So all you need is just you have to control your AirPods by just using this thing right here, this touch bar right here. And this is how you can skip to the next song, go back to your previous song, increase or decrease your volume on your AirPods easily. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.